Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how using these pre-created notebooks that we've made, you can do a cash flow forecasting analysis in just one click. So you can see in here, we've got a bunch of instructions for Julius already pre-filled. The only thing you have to do personally is upload your data. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to upload my sample data. Got some right here. It's uploaded, and I'm just going to hit this button in the top right. Julius is going to go through each of these steps, and it's going to write Python code to do the analysis. And once it's done, you copy paste it, you send it to your boss. I'll see you guys when we've got the result. All right, so we can see that Julius went ahead and it completed the cash flow forecasting analysis. So I went ahead and completed step 1, which was these 4 steps. It went ahead and it wrote some Python code, and it generated this analysis and gave us some graphs. Went ahead and did the same for step 2. I'll show you guys that as well. If you want to retrace the steps that Julius took, you just take a look at the Python code, see for yourself. Great looking graphs, perfect to send off right away as is. And step 3, we got the same thing. And these are the steps that an expert analyst would take. All you gotta do is just upload the file to Julius and let it rip. So I'll see you guys in the next video.